is Heena, and today I am going to show you this makeup look. How I did this makeup. Everyone want to do me a makeup tutorial, so today I am with makeup tutorial. अगर आप देखना चाहते हो कि मैंने कैसे ये मेकअप किया है, कैसे ये लुक अचीव किया है, so please keep on watching and without further ado we'll start with video. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छे लगे so please comment down in comment section below and share, subscribe and like my channel.
I already applied moisturizer and sunscreen on my face, so we'll start with makeup. Here I am using Nykaa Prep Me face primer to minimize the pore around my nose and cheek so my makeup look flawless. For foundation, I am using Milani Cosmetic Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation in the shade 05 Warm Beige. It is a full coverage foundation, so start with a small amount of quantity. Now I am taking damp beauty blender to blend out my foundation. Do not drag foundation, just dab into your skin, otherwise it will look cakey on your skin. Next I am using Elegant Pro Conceal to cancel out the darkness around my eyes in the shade Pure Beige. Using same beauty blender to blend out the concealer. For highlight effect under the eyes, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Cent, applying just little bit, not much. And to set my foundation and concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Medium. So foundation and concealer doesn't move and do not start creasing. I'm taking a fluffy brush to dust out the powder all over my face. If you want to learn each and every step in detail, so please comment me in comment down below. So I will make a video on each and every step in detail. Do not forget to apply on your neck also. So my base is ready and ये बिल्कुल भी केकी नहीं लग रहा है. For eyeshadow I am using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. ये एक बहुत अच्छी eyeshadow palette है beginner makeup के लिए. Guys, I will not explain anything in detail, otherwise video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. If you want to learn in detail then comment me. And सारे प्रोडक्ट के लिंक एंड ऑल मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी, सो आप वहाँ से चेक कर लेना. enhance outer corner of my eyes, I am taking this deeper shade and blending on my eyelid. For center of my eyelid, I am taking e.l.f. Cosmetic Duo eyeshadow. It is such a nice and buttery in texture, also blends very easily. You can use your finger too if you don't have a brush. Now I am taking a angle brush to fill my eyebrow using same eyeshadow palette. So अगर आपके पास eyebrow filler नहीं है तो ये eyeshadow palette 2-in-1 का काम करता है. Using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer to set my eyeshadow and face makeup. For eyeliner, I am using Lakme Absolute Shine Line Liner in the shade Black. For mascara, using Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express waterproof mascara, it gives such a nice volume to your eyelashes. Taking Plum Nature Studio Kohal Kajal to draw lower waterline. For highlighter, using Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. First, applying inner corner of my eyes using small shader brush and little bit of highest point of my eyebrows. For blusher, I am using Maybelline Color Show Blush in the shade Peachy Sweetie. It gives such a nice pinkish glow on your cheek. Now come to the best part of entire makeup, taking same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and applying highest point of my cheekbone. Look at that glow, it's so nice. again using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer to set my entire makeup. For lip liner, I am using Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. Do not apply lip liner all over your lips, just draw out a line of your lips. For lipstick, I am using Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Fairy Berry. It is such a nice deep maroon color. This lipstick shade will complement my entire makeup, so I love this. So happy that this makeup turns out very gracious and glam looking. You can try this makeup look on any occasion. It looks such a nice on ethnic and western both. This is the close-up look of my makeup. It looks so beautiful.